Renewed concerns this evening about bed shortage at one of the country's main public health facilities. In the meantime, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the government has secured $50 million for the upgrade of some health facilities, which will address the issue. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Video footage showing patients sitting on chairs while being treated at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine earlier this week.
Look all this serious. The people them, look which part of the people them bed there. No bed for people them sleep and could they sit there and they pan water collect food. Look here, look on their water.
The shortage of bed space, a recurring and long-standing issue at public health facilities. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton now says the government has secured $50 million to upgrade some health facilities across the island and address the problem once and for all. He explains that includes the Spanish Town Hospital, which will see it moving from a Type B to a Type A facility.
It definitely would address significantly the shortages that we currently have, because you're talking about more beds, you're talking about more services being offered, more room for services or space for services, more specialization. So it would definitely deal with the current challenges that facility faces, given, again, the increasing demand on the facility based on expansion of housing, accommodation, and people traffic in and around that area.
Dr. Tufton says the technical part of the work will start no later than this year.
You're not going to be in a position to start construction until you have done architectural drawings and engineering work and so on. So that's the first phase is that. I think there's $200 or $300 million assigned to do that. And then from there, you go into the actual construction.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.